Well, here's our first square number. It's pretty simple. It's just the number 1. This is where language and mathematics becomes really important. We often use terms like 2 squared, or we might say square 2. Well, what does square 2 mean? Well, it's the square of size 2. So here it is, and if you count all, there's 4. And so if we continue on, you can see 3 squared, or a square of size 3. There's 3 lots of 3, 3 times 3, or 9. And so squaring numbers becomes pretty easy after a while. So like here's a square of size 10, so 10 squared, 10 times 10 is 100. So we can look at those, but what I want to look at is the relationship between square numbers and triangle numbers. If you have a look at this number here, it's a square of size 4. It's 4 squared, or 16. But this time I've drawn a diagonal through the square, and I've coloured the top left hand corner red and the bottom right hand corner blue. If you look at the top left hand corner, you can see it's, if you were to count them up, there's a 1, a 2 and a 3 red balls. That's 6. That's in fact the third triangle number. And if you look at the bottom right hand corner in blue, you can see 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. That's in fact the fourth triangle number. So we can see that a square number can be made up of 2 triangle numbers. The fourth square number is made of the sum of the third and the fourth triangular numbers. Or you could say a square number is equal to the sum of 2 consecutive triangle numbers. If we go back to what the 10th square number is, or 10 squared, or 100, you can see that that's once again made up of 2 triangle numbers. The blue on the bottom right and the red on the top left. If you look at the top left, you'll see it's the 9th triangular number. So it's adding the numbers 1 through 9. And if you look at the bottom right with the blue, you'll see the numbers, or the rows of blue, 1 through 10. And so adding the 9th triangle number plus the 10th triangle number actually gives me the 10th square number.